For those of you that don't know us, Gray Wolf is a heavy industrial construction company. The companies you're probably familiar with here locally are Titan Contracting, Milco National Constructors, and Titan Fabricators. All of these companies were founded here in Owensboro. The company was began in 1978. We're proud to still be here. Since 1978, the company has expanded nationwide. We have offices from Long Beach, California to Houston, Texas, to Tampa, Florida, Atlanta, Savannah, and Mobile. So we're very, very proud of that.
Every week, OZ Tyler Distillery provides this wonderful bourbon barrel lid for our sponsors, and this is a token of our appreciation and acknowledgement of your sponsorship and your partnership with Friday After 5. We do appreciate you, and hey everybody, let's hear it for Gray Wolf!